Gage Linville posted on his Instagram this morning announcing a crash that sounds like it's going to keep him on the sidelines for a while. Now, he rides for the Dirt Legal Dirt Bike Depot WMR KTM racing team and will be his third year with the team. And if you remember, last year he had the Mutter super podium from Foxborough where he went down like super early and ended up on the podium for his first ever in the 250 SX main event. Awesome for him. But in the Instagram quote or Instagram post saying, quote, kinda at a loss for words. Had a freak accident yesterday where the bike locked up on the face of a jump and crashed pretty bad. Ended up with 5 broken ribs, grade 3 lacerated liver, and a small collapsed lung. I've had a great off season and felt the best I had ever coming into round 1 for East Coast. Everything happens for a reason, and I will be back at some point during the season to show what I'm capable of and what we have all been working on. Thanks to everybody who has my back through the highs and lows. Big shout out to Kenzie Ann NW for staying at the hospital with me and taking care of me. Thank you to everybody who sticks behind me. Now, that's a huge crash. I mean, just the broken ribs alone is going to be a very painful time for him, but you've got internal with the lacerated liver and the collapsed lung. It's just going to be super, super painful. It sucks to see. I mean, obviously, if you remember the the Foxborough Supercross from last year, that was a great race. You know, in a mutter, proved, you know, that's a hard race to finish, much less podium. And for him, it was probably one of the best nights of racing he's had, you know, on the main stage, on, well, I guess the main night show. But it sucks to see. I mean, obviously, you never want to see anybody get injured, and especially in a practice crash and something freak like this where the bike just locks up on you. And for him, you had to know this isn't going to be good as you're going through the air. But hopefully, knock on wood, he can get healed up fast and, you know, maybe make a few rounds of Supercross. Who knows? But anything, go over to his Instagram, you know, comment on his post, give him some well wishes. And I don't know, you guys tell me, are you excited for the East Coast? Because the West Coast 250s, it's pretty much over at this point. Let's be honest. Deegan's just going to win this and be done. Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform lets you do. It does really help me out and appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.